So I've got a slightly different bracket pulled up now, and we were just talking about the preset views that we have within our view cube here. And what if I need to create one that's not here? How would I go about doing that? So let's say, for example, with this bracket, I needed to make a view that is normal to this angled face. So all I would have to do is go normal to that face, and then within my shortcut here, I can go ahead and create a new view that will capture what's on my screen right now. I'm going to give it a name of angled. And then once I go back into my drawing, you'll be able to see that that new view has been loaded into my view palette. So once I refresh it, you can see I've got all of the views that I previously had that are automatically in the view cube. But in addition to those, I also have this one that I just created, the angled one. So I can insert that in here, and at this point I can start adding dimensions and annotations. So in addition to these great features, we can also make updates to the 3D model, and they will automatically update to the drawing. It also works the other way. If we make updates to the drawing in here, it'll update within our 3D model. So for example, let's go back over to our 3D model, and let's say these two holes had to have a different diameter. So we can go into our sketch, make that change. Rather than 1/4 of an inch, I'll change it to 1/2 of an inch. It updates in the 3D model, and then when I come back over to the drawing and we take a look at the top view, you can see it not only updated the drawing, but it also updated that dimension for me, that annotation. So SolidWorks is great with making sure that your changes have been updated anywhere you have them. So the last thing is, how did we create the 3D model? I'll be showing how I did that in the next video.